Hey girl, what's up? Welcome and welcome back to my channel. Today in the lab, I'm going to be doing a foundation battle type of video. I'm going to be comparing the Nars foundations. They recently come out with a soft matte foundation, but they've already had a semi-matte foundation that was the All Day Luminous foundation. So I'm going to be comparing those two today. Comment down below which side you think is which. So yes, if you are into beauty related videos, lifestyle videos, that is what I do here on my channel. Go ahead and hit that subscribe button. It definitely helps me out. Give this video a thumbs up for more foundation battle type of videos with brands. And if you want to see all about my response and review on the two foundations and how I got this look, then keep on watching. So my face is moisturized and I'm going to go in with the Nars Radiance Primer. This has a SPF of 35 sunscreen in it and it looks like this. I really like this primer. I mentioned it before here on my channel. It is super hydrating. So I'm just gonna put, probably put too much. I'm just gonna go ahead and blend that into the skin. But yeah, so primer's on, it gives a natural little glow. So I'm super excited because I'm gonna be comparing these two Nars foundations. So this side I'm gonna do the All Day Luminous and this side I'm gonna do the Soft Complete Matte. The reason I'm comparing these two is because they both claim to be matte, but the Luminous one is a semi-matte. But when I look on NARS website, this foundation is considered a luminous matte finish. 16-hour wear, paraben-free, alcohol-free, fragrance-free, humidity-resistant, dermatologist tested for all skin types and tones. It's a full coverage and it's oil-free. So these are their top two foundations that all skin types can wear, especially if you have oily skin. But this is their newest one. This is their Soft Matte Complete Foundation, and this one is a true matte. So let's go ahead and talk about these. For the All Day Luminous Semi-Matte one, I have it in the shade Medium Dark 1 Syracuse, and the Soft Matte Complete Foundation, I have it in the shade Tahoe Medium Deep. Now, these may show up a little differently, so I am going to do a little bit of color correcting for this one. If you haven't seen my last video when I was doing the full face TJ Maxx makeup showing you a smoky eye for fall, I did go in with this foundation and I also color correct with that. So that my face looks the same, you know, and not too light and too dark on one side, because I do know that this Luminous one, and I'm just, you know, concealing some dark spot areas. And then on my chin, I do know that this Syracuse shade is a little bit light, but we'll finesse it. This All Day Luminous Semi-Matte Foundation retails for $49, and the new Soft Matte Complete Foundation retails for $40. So pick and choose when it comes to picking out the finish that you want, but they both are amazing foundations. I just want to compare the two for you guys. Bottle wise, this is the two bottles. This is the All Day Luminous one. It does not come with a pump. I mean, it comes with a pump. This one does not come with a pump. It's a squeezy tube. So Luminous, All Day Luminous with a pump. Soft Matte Complete Foundation is a squeezy tube. And the packaging of this new one that they came out with is so luxurious. And then the All Day Luminous one is a glass. So I'm gonna just go ahead with a couple of pumps for this. I do go in with a couple of pumps. I don't know, I'll see what happens, but the All Day Luminous one is a bit runny compared to the Complete Matte. But we'll go ahead and, I'm gonna go ahead and blend that in to this side. I will say that a little bit goes a long way. It is still a flawless finish, so that looks really, really good. Looks good. Didn't have to add too much, but I do know that the Soft Matte one is thicker. So we're gonna go in with this one. And again, I have this in Tahoe. And as you can see, it is not as runny as the All Day Luminous. So let's go in with this. And this is just a little pump. As you can see, it is a bit warmer. But when I went in with Syracuse on this formula, girl, it was lighter than this. So I don't know, I'll have to see. Maybe this is my summer shade and you know, I don't know. When I tried that on in the store, I was like, this can't be my shade. The Syracuse in this. So maybe I'll try the Syracuse again. I don't know. They both look really, really good. They're just different undertones. So now I'm trying these side by side. I definitely feel like I could probably go back and get this in Syracuse and just try to finesse it with bronzing. But I don't know. I like the warmth of it, and I definitely want it to be correct, but this side does give me a little bit more, you know, it just looks like it matches all the way down. So you let me know. I haven't tried this soft matte foundation since I put up that video. If you haven't seen that video of me first impressions on the new Nars soft matte foundation, make sure you check it out. It'll be in the link above. But this is what it's given. Still feel lightweight on the skin, and I'm gonna go on with concealer and, you know, powders and all that, and then come back and tell you how I feel about the two, and then you comment down below what shade I should go with. Should I go keep this Tahoe in the soft matte, or should I go and, you know, change it for Syracuse? But as you saw, I had to still color correct with the Syracuse because it does go on a little bit too light. But so I'm gonna go in with the Nars Radiant Creamy Concealers, and I talked about this one before as well. I have them in the shade Medium 1.5 Macadamia and Light 2.6 Cafe Con Leche. These are light, but I'm not gonna toss them out because, as we know, Nars is a bit pricey. So Alright, so I put all of the powder, blush, highlighter, lippy, and everything together, and it still looks good. Like, either side looks fine to me, but this is what it's looking like. So this side, again, is the All Day Luminous foundation in the shade Syracuse. And then this side is the Soft Matte Complete Foundation in the shade Tahoe. So yeah, they both claim to do similar things, and that's why I wanted to do a like foundation battle. So you guys let me know. Comment down below which side you think is best. Have you tried them both before? Have you tried them out? Let me know down below. And I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Until next time, love, peace, and beauty. I'll see you guys in my next one. Bye.